Hello kids, how are you all? I am taking your EVS subject. EVS means the environmental subject and it's for the standard 4th and it's for the English medium section. Okay? EVS means the environment means we learn about in this subject to know about the atmosphere, okay, environment to surrounding us. Okay, there is a different types of experience, different types of view outside there. So we learn about this environment which is related to our daily. Okay, we related them to a daily, we face them a daily. Okay, so now we are learned for the subject is EVS. It's for the standard 4th and in English medium section, and it's NCERT. It's from the NCERT books, and this is chapter number 13, reverse journey. Okay, it is start from the same two semester 2. Okay, it's chapter 13, reverse journey. Okay, we already without water, okay, it's a necessary to drink water. Okay, without water we cannot live. Okay, there is a no, we cannot survive without water. So it's a chapter about the reverse journey. Okay, it's a reverse journey. It's a chapter about a journey of rivers. Okay, they are we are in a country. Okay, we live in a India country. There is a lots of river. Okay, there is a lots of big rivers also. So there is a Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Kaveri, Narmada. Okay, there is a lots of river. Okay, very many longest river. We can say it's a Lokmata. Okay, we can say it's a Lokmata to us, means just like our mother. Okay, it's a very helpful to us. Okay, without water we cannot survive, and without water we cannot survive, and without water we cannot imagine our life also. Okay, so we can say there is a one quotation. Okay, save water and water will save us. Okay, save water and water will save us. Okay, in the morning we start the journey. In the morning in the morning we are doing brushing, bathing, okay, washing, okay, wash the clothes, wash the utensils. Okay, for the drinking must be used for a drinking, to make food. Okay, without water we cannot do anything. Okay, so without water means we cannot survive our life. Okay, so there is a journey of rivers. Okay, rivers, how means there is a lots of resources, water resources. Okay, just like there is a pond. Okay, pond, well, lake, there is a oasis also. If you are living in a desert area, there is a oasis also. There is a sea. Okay, the rivers, but the rivers water is very important. Okay, the first it's a river water, because the rivers water mostly a river's water continue flowing. Okay, it is the water of river is continue flowing, and it's not the stagnant water. Okay, but in a lake, we can say in a lake, in a sea, there is a stagnant water. Okay, they store the water, it's a storage of water, but the river's water continue flowing. So it's the pure water we can use as a drink. Okay, we can use as a drink, and we can do many things. Okay, without water we cannot survive, so we can do many things. Okay, water is the nectar of our life. Okay, water is the nectar of our life. Water itself, it's life. Okay, so save water Save water and water will save us. Okay, save water and water will save us. Okay, the place from the water, the place from the which the water is obtained, we can say it's a water resources. Okay, we can say it's a known as the water resources, and there are many water resources in our country. Okay, means there are many rivers. Okay, and there are many lakes also. There are the northern side there is a mountain area. Okay, there is a lots of glacier, the Gangotri glacier, the Yamunotri glacier, and the water come from them this mountain Himalayan area. Okay, and come to downside of our country. So water is very useful to us. We can use this water in our daily routine, just not for only drinking. Okay, not for only drinking. It is useful to irrigation. Okay, to do a farming. Okay, water is very necessary. So the rivers usually start from mountain and pass through the plain area, city area, village area, forest area. Okay, so the journey of river start from the mountain and the pass through the mountain areas, forest areas, plain areas, city areas, villages area, and last to meet the sea. Okay, in India we have a very longest coastal area. Coastal area means the sea, near the sea coast area. So mostly rivers going to meet the sea. Okay, so there is a river's journey. Okay, start from the mountain and pass through the plain areas, mountain areas, forest area, village city, and then meet to the sea. Okay, but rivers water is very useful for drinking, washing, irrigation. Okay, and water transport too. Okay, it's a very necessary. We cannot survive without water. But people polluted the water of these rivers. Okay, they throw the garbage, they throw the dust. They throw if there is a big company industries, they rust the wastage of the country, okay, into the water, and because of this the water become a polluted, and polluted water, it's a very dangerous. Okay, not for only drinking, but it's a very dangerous to the animals. Okay, for the sea animals which is live in the water. Okay, it's a very dangerous. The fish, crocodiles, seahorse, so many sea animals. Okay, so it's a very dangerous which life is which is the home of the river is the home of these animals. Okay, they live in it, and if the water polluted by the wastage of us, okay, by the industrial wastage, so it's become a dirty. The water become a dirty because of this pollution. The many sea animals become a die. Okay, so we cannot do this. Okay, we cannot do this to become a dirty the rivers. Okay, so and if we drink this water, this dirty water, we drink this dirty water, we become ill. Okay, we become ill, and it's not good for us also. Okay, so we can save the water. Okay, save water, and water will save us. Okay, we cannot survive without water, and so we save water, and water will save us. Okay, and water of river is useful to many ways. Okay, and useful for our lives, our civilizations develop their life. They develop their life near to the bank of river. Okay, because it's easy. If you have a water, then your life become very easy. Okay, so they started their life. They settled down near to the bank of river, and rivers flow into the sea. Water become a sea evaporation. Okay, the sea water become evaporate, and evaporated they become a clouds. Clouds, if it is become a cold, then again come into a water, means through the rain. Okay, so this circle is continuous. Okay, so the sea water, the river's journey start from the mountain, and they are to the sea, and there is a evaporation and become a clouds, and it's become a cold, then again start the rain. So it's a rotation. It's the rotation of this water journey. Okay, our life is possible only due to the existence of river. If our life is possible because of existence of water, so we save the water, we save the rivers. Okay, we can do many things. Okay, it's our duty to save water. Okay, do not waste the water. Okay, and save the rivers and to become a clean. Okay, then there is some exercise. There is a question answer of related this chapter. Okay, a river's journey, 13th chapter, river journey. Now you can see. Okay, there is some question. From where does a river originate? Okay, from where does a river originate? The river originates from the mountain. Okay, the river originates from the mountain. Which vehicle can move into river? Okay, we can doing journey. Okay, we can do travel in on a water. So there is a which vehicle can move in a river? The boat. Boat is useful to move in a river. Water of which of the drinkable? Okay, which water? Which water is drinkable? So it's of the river's water. Only river's water we can drink. Okay. Which will change the color of water? Which will change the color of water? The change of color. Water's color change the milk. Okay. If we dissolve in, there is a salt, sugar, but the color of water is not changed. But we can pour in milk mix with water, then it is changed. Which substance does not dissolve in water? This substance does not dissolve in water. The sand. Okay, the sand does not dissolve in water. Okay, then the chapter number 13 is over. Now we are on the chapter number 14. Okay, then we are in the chapter. We are on the chapter number 14, Raju's farm. Okay, it is related to a farm. Farm means we are doing farming. Okay, so land is precious things for the farming. Okay, the farmer. Our country mostly farmers live here. Okay, so our country is suitable for the any types of crops. Okay, so we are doing farming. Okay, so land is very precious, just like water is precious. Okay, we cannot survive without water. So land also precious, because without food we cannot survive too. Okay, so land is very precious things for the farming. Okay, mostly of farmers, they are doing very hard work for the doing farming. Okay, they dug the field, they sow the seeds, they are doing cultivation. Okay, they are doing destroy the waste of the farming. Okay, they cut the crops, they 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 divide the crop from the wastage. Okay, so it's a very necessary things. Okay, we learn about at home. Okay, from our father, grandfather, how to do farming. Okay, so farming is very useful. There is a different types of crops. Okay, they just like grain. Okay, fruit, vegetables, oil seeds, all are necessary for food. Okay, just like farmers in our countries, there is a different state, there is a different types of crop they harvested. Okay, so they including the principal grains like wheat, millets, jowar, bajra, maize. Okay, it's a principal grain. Okay, like green gram, sweet peas. Okay, white peas are also cultivated. Okay, good quality farming is done for vegetable like potatoes, cabbage, butter gourd, onions, ladyfingers. Okay, ladyfingers, etc. And there is some place there is a fruit also grow, just like mangoes, guava, pomegranate, papayas, watermelons, chiku, bananas, oranges, and watermelon. Okay, so it is very important for we eat this we use this grain to daily. Okay, onions are cultivated in Sabarkantha. Okay, potatoes are near to Banaskantha, and groundnuts in Saurashtra. Okay, mangoes and others also to grows in Junagadh, Kutch, and the southern area of our state. Okay, in Gujarat. Okay, so pulses also very important for us. Okay, oil seeds. Okay, so it's a very we are doing different types of crops here. Okay, so there is some exercise for you. Wheat. Okay, wheat crops mostly grow in a winter crop. Okay, because it's a grow in a winter season. Okay, millets, it's a monsoon crop. Millets is a monsoon crop. Okay, it's a depend only on monsoon. And pickaxe, it's a one type of tool we can use in our farming. It's a used for the dig the ground. Okay, so farmer doing dig the ground. Okay, then water guard, it's a one type of creeper. Okay, so it's a exercise is over. Then our chapter is for Raj's farm also over. Thank you.